my 4-year-old came to me one day and said that he would like me to teach him how to read. And I had never really thought about it before. I just assumed that elementary schools would teach him when that time came. But what do I do with the 4-year-old that wants to learn to read? So I started researching and stumbled on Spencer's page. And lo and behold, it was amazing. The workshops were so easy to do with him. It was easy to find time to do it. They're so simple and straightforward that it was able to give us the base of phonics that has set him up for success so far. We were able to do the activities either a structured time at the house, in the kitchen, in the living room, or even just, hey, we're on the road to the grocery store or something. Let's do a couple little things. And it was so simple that it just made so much sense for all of us. I was a full-time mom. I have a finance degree. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this page really made it that simple. Fast forward 2 years, he's now 6 and in kindergarten and passing his evaluations with flying colors, and he has a really good base foundation for him. He's going to go really far. He's going to do good. It's been tremendous, and I can't wait to use it for my current 4-year-old, my second kiddo.